This video provides proper installation instructions for the Betco Clario Dispenser. There are two installation options. Clario dispensers must be mounted no more than 48 inches from the ground per ADA regulations. There are two types of keys, one removable, one permanent. To use the permanent key, turn the dispenser over and insert key into backplate before hanging the dispenser. Wipe flat, dry surface with supplied alcohol wipe immediately before applying tape. Peel off paper from tape and press dispenser firmly to the wall. Hold for several seconds, making sure tape has completely adhered. Do not insert product into dispenser for at least 24 hours to ensure tape has adhered completely to the wall. If using the permanent option, turn the dispenser over and insert key into backplate before hanging the dispenser. Using the dispenser as a template, mark hole locations. Drill 4 3/16-inch diameter holes. Tap provided plastic anchors into holes. Place screws into anchors and tighten half the screw length. Hang dispenser onto screws using the keyholes in the back plate. Tighten screws to secure the dispenser. Do not over-tighten. Push down valve end of bag onto the pump assembly until it clicks. Check that the bag is fully pressed down so pump is inserted completely into pouch. If needed, gently tuck the corners of the bag to ensure complete closure of the dispenser cover. When using permanent key, push up on the permanent key and the dispenser cover will pop open. When using the removable key, take the key and push up on the back underside of the dispenser until cover pops open. To remove the pump assembly, depress tabs on the back plate of the dispenser and push pump assembly up. To insert a new pump assembly, gently push down until the back plate tabs snap into place. Ensure that the new pump assembly is flush to the back plate and is aligned with pump assembly brackets. If you have any questions or issues installing your Clario dispenser, please call Betco Technical Services. Call 1-888-GO-BETCO.